It's another game jam. A game jam is where a lot of people make games based around a theme in a limited amount of time. Then everyone votes for the best game. Anyways, this time, the theme was stronger together. The first thought that came into my mind was, you are an asteroid. Your mission is to obtain other asteroids and fuse together. Then, you aim to the Earth and try to destroy it. I honestly really liked this idea, but I wasn't very sure how I was going to present the game. I found a pixel artist named Cerez on the Brackeys Discord server. I told him the idea, but he opted for a change. He wanted to go with a game where a girl leaves a boy because he isn't strong enough, so the boy becomes stronger to get her. Get it? I changed my plans and started working on this idea. This was a weird idea though. I wasn't very sure how I was gonna execute this idea, and there was only 72 hours left because I procrastinated for a long time. So as a usual person would do, speedrun. I added buttery smooth movement, implemented a tile set, and added a smooth camera. I created the main menu and added little sprites and moving text. With all that done, I could start weaving the theme into the game. I searched far and wide for a Parallax background on itch.io and found one by Louis Zuno, and it looked amazing. So I decided to use it, and this is a result. I also added super simple cutscenes to storytell more easily. And that's it. I just had one more hour left to submit the game. By the way, you can play the game right now in the first link in the description. Thank you for watching.